I make my amazing crispy pork fry. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I normally make simple meals for your family when you're in and out of the kitchen and you're done. 10-15 minutes tops, guys. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe to this amazing episode. Yes, let's get started. For your ingredients, your pork, you cut them into small pieces, and then you have your 2 cups of rice. You have 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of your soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of any vegetable oil that you have, to season, some salt, some ginger, and some black pepper. First thing we're going to cook is our rice. So we have 2 cups of rice. We're going to put in our pot 4 cups of water. So we measure that. 4 cups of water until it comes to a boil, and then we're going to put our rice. So as that is cooking, we're going to work on our pork. You're going to wash this until it's really clean to remove the extra starch. We're going to put cornstarch on our pork. Then you mix it. You mix it. We're gonna season with some black pepper, and some salt. Look at that, looks amazing. Look at that. So after that, the next step is we're going to heat some oil on the pan. Once your water has come to a boil, you put your washed rice aside. A bit of salt, and I always put a bit of some oil, just like that. Then you cover it to cook quickly. As the rice is cooking, we're going to prepare our vegetables, so you can cut them. I told you guys, this one you use whatever you have in your kitchen, so the vegetables you have is what you use. So you cut them into small pieces. I like cutting them into small pieces. If you like, you can cut them into it. Remove the white part. I normally make sure they are small pieces, so the big ones I cut them into smaller pieces. So in our pan, we're going to heat our pan with oil. after 2 minutes, you keep stirring. When you see it browning, you transfer it to a plate. So we're going to transfer it to the plate. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. Now we're going to work on our pork. To work on our pork, put 1 tablespoon of oil. Then we're going to cook our pork. Make sure your skillet is really hot. So make sure it's hot. That's when you put your pork. And you let it cook. Keep stirring until it's not pink anymore. Until it's really crispy. On low until it's no longer pink. Let it cook. Our pork is cooking to get really crispy. I enjoy that. We're gonna make the sauce, so we're gonna need these ingredients. So what we are going to do is mix our soy sauce, our sugar, our ginger, our garlic, our black pepper. So we're gonna mix that together. So 2 tablespoons of sugar. It makes the pork really crispy. We're gonna put our garlic. We're gonna put our ginger and our black pepper. Yeah. We're gonna mix that to make our sauce. My kids love it because it gives it that stickiness. If you don't want to use sugar, you can have some honey, which really works too. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. Look at that. Really nice sauce. So we're gonna put half now and half at the end, because you notice we put sugar. Sugar burns when you cook it for too long, so we don't want to put a lot at the beginning. Look at that, it's starting to get really crispy. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Amazing. Look at that. So we're gonna cook it some more for about 10 minutes. So it gets really crispy. So at this point, we let it cook for 10 minutes more. Getting on well. Woo. Amazing. Look at that. This is one of the meals that your family will love because it's so delicious, and I love it. So next we're going to put half our sauce. Look at this. Oh, the sizzling sound. Amazing. Really amazing. I'm gonna put half like that. Look at that. Amazing. Look at that. So yummy. So amazing. I love pork because it's so soft. It has that really soft taste, and it's so sticky. I love the stickiness of the sauce that it brings to the pork. And the food is so delicious. Yeah, look at that. Amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. So next we're going to put our vegetables. You can put as much as you have in the house. Look at that. And let it cook for like 2 minutes. Let it simmer. Crispy. You can see how it's so crispy. Look at that. Amazing. I love that crispiness. So we're gonna add our remaining sauce just to give it that flavor. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. We're gonna mix this up and serve this in 1 minute. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. This can serve up to 4 people with this rice. Our time, guys, our meal is ready. Let's have a look. Wow, look at that. Look at that. So sizzling, so amazing. Wow. Gonna serve this. Put it off. Look at our rice. Voila. Amazing. Gonna scoop a few. Just a bit of rice. Just like lining it up a bit. And then I'm gonna put a bit of our pork. Look at that. Ooh. Amazing. Amazing, guys. Look at that. Wow, perfect. Look at that. Look at that. Yum yum. So I always like it with a bit of avocado. So I'm going to do a bit of avocado for your food. Look at that. Amazing. These guys, right? Amazing. Voila. Look at that pork. Look at the rice. Look at the avocado. Yes. Look at that. I love it. And it didn't take long. At most 30 minutes your meal is ready. Let's have a taste. Ooh, so sizzling. Mm. 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 Was amazing. So sweet. You can feel the soy sauce, the green vegetables, and the pork itself. It's so sweet. It's amazing. If you don't like pork, try this recipe. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. It's amazing. It's so sweet. Your family will love it. That perfect dinner for you is served. Guys, it's been an amazing episode showing you how I make my amazing crispy pork fry, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. I always love your comments, guys. Comment down below Let me know which recipe you have tried. I have like over 80 recipes for you guys. Try them. Try one. Let me know. Give me feedback. Let me know. And I'll appreciate you every single time. And it's been amazing being with you at this time. And I hope to see you on my next episode. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Share this video. Like. Yes. And let's get moving. Road to 10,000 subscribers. And that's it from me, guys. Bye.